Guys, I am so excited. Okay, so yesterday I had to go to the bank, a bank in Winchester. And I like their Goodwill in Winchester. And I was so excited. And then I got over there and I was like, it's not open yet. It wasn't open. It was like 8:45. And I was like, I wasn't looking for anything in particular, but I just like to go by and see what they got and see what I can do with it. And I was like, I'll just go to Mount Sterling Goodwill. And then I was like, nah, they never have anything good. So, I waited for them to open. Yes, like 15 minutes. I hate that. But anyways, I got in there and I was like going through all the racks that have just like housewares and whatever else on it. And I found these. I know it seems ridiculous to get excited over fruit canisters, but I'm going to redo these and they're going to be so cute. So super cute. And I don't know why someone threw these out. Because I think because it had fruit on it. I mean, who wants fruit? Anyways, all the lids are here. Everything works. I mean, someone literally just took these out of their cabinets. It still has flour in it. But I wanted to show you before I did anything to them. I mean, these literally still have the tags on them. This was $4.99. This one was $2.99. And this was $1.79. And it was about $10. A little more I want to give for it, but they're the exact style that I need. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with these, and I think you guys are going to be really impressed. I hope. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, here's the exciting part. Okay, I primed these and put 2 coats of white spray paint on the outsides. I've already washed them and everything. I didn't spray the inside because I do want to use that, but I didn't want spray paint in there. But look at how good these look. So let me show you my plan for these. Super cute. I cut this with my Cricut. I know not all these DIYs are going to be a Cricut project, but this one is, and the one before. But guys, I'll have other ones on here that are not Cricut related. But I just want to show you. I used a font called the Skinny on this. So excited. Guys, look. You see it? How sweet. It's perfect. All right. I did flour, coffee, and sugar. I'm going to do this in here. Let's see. I just want to make sure that I got these the same. Guys, this was like such a cute idea, and it doesn't hardly cost anything. And you may already have these canisters. You can just redo them. Look! I love it. All right, and then this one, we got one more. Let's turn this around so I can see. It's perfect. Exactly what I hoped for. And I'll probably take the hairdryer and just heat these up a little bit. This is Oracle 651 vinyl. So it's, after it cures, it's supposed to be really permanent. So let's hope. Remember, save your contact paper. You can use that for other things. But look at this. It doesn't get much cuter. All right, guys. I'll be doing a lot more items repurposed, and I'm going to do another giveaway on my next video. I'm not going to tell you what it is until I start the video, but just keep an eye out. Thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, put them below. Anything else negative to say, you can stick that somewhere else. Thanks.